We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
What's up, everyone? The last video was our lovely 3 nights on Taboga Island, the closest island to Panama City, which included the nicest Airbnb we've ever stayed in. We still have our family visiting, and it's time to add a bit of diversity to their vacation and trade the island life for some adventures in the mountains. Panama is much more mountainous than I realized, and El Valle de Antón, or Anton Valley, is only 2 hours from the city. For some freedom and flexibility, we rented a car for the next few days, and the drive was very nice. With more time, we could have stopped a bunch at all the cool spots along the way. Before getting in, we bought some fruit from this sweet lady. For lodging here in Anton Valley, we went for a much more budget-friendly option on Airbnb. It's a cute house, had some nice features like the big front porch area and hammock, but they hadn't installed hot water yet and the beds were not very comfortable. That said, we only paid $140 a night, split between us, and aside from the close proximity to the neighbors' chickens and dogs, the location was good. If you're a nature lover, willing to hike, and you could only do one thing here, India Dormida should be it. You'll likely have to pay a few bucks for the local kids to watch your car, very informal, and you'll pay, I think, for a wristband to actually enter the hiking area. I think it was $5 per person. It's only around a 2.2 mile hike, but you'll climb around 1,000 feet, you'll be sweating, and the trail is not easy. You're taking big steps up over roots and steep sections. Thankfully, the trail was dry for us, and if you're too hot, you could cool off in the water in some spots on the way up, and the breeze at the top is nice. Coming from the States, we don't really have mountains quite like this. Something about how the tops are mostly bald without trees, but covered in green grass. I was definitely stoked to explore them from the air. For sunset, head up the crazy road to Mirador Cerro La Cruz. It was super windy, but it's a beautiful viewpoint, and building a road here is already quite the spectacle. On our last morning here, we went to Chorro Macho for a nice walk through the jungle. It's another paid nature reserve area, maybe $5 or $10 a person, I think. There are nice bridges and trails to enjoy the jungle and get close to nature. Some of the trees here are just so massive and impressive, covered in vines and life. Good times. And that's it for our time here, but the area is loaded with more mountaintops, scenic viewpoints, waterfalls, and a butterfly garden. We definitely recommend touring the area and could have easily enjoyed more time here. So thanks for watching, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more weekly travel videos. Peace.